got a question for y'all. I've actually been thinking about doing this for a while, and a lot of people do it. What do you guys think about a vending booth for luxury hair downtown LA or something?
Like to be home.
Thank you guys from Hair Mania. I appreciate you guys coming out, Mobile, and we'll see y'all next time. Peace. What's up, Hair Made in India family? So everybody has their own little thing they do when they want to disconnect and reconnect. This is my little thing right here, man. Riding on Venice Beach. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Hair Made India showroom downtown Los Angeles. We're going to be open all weekend long, 24/7, with raw hair extension and wig direct from India. Also doing a huge production run on Rosewater, guys. 100% pure, directly from the temples. Day 3 at the Bronner Brothers show, guys. Amazing show. Killing it so far. Carlos in the house doing amazing. Beautiful clientele. We have crushed the competition. They are no longer in the house. They have left their boots. And then we have Ming Lee's thing right here, jumping.